Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My faults were not my own. It grabbed
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
A human kid! Michael Wazowski, and on my birthday, I love you, turn.
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. It's going to get dark and ready. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. All units, here's the girl we're looking for. Affirmative on the negative, number one.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
She'll never find her door now. They'll never get her home now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan.
They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mike, Wazowski!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.